Hello, I'm Jane Hall. And this and this is my science project on which cell phone battery will last longer. My question is, how long can the battery of an iPhone 6 and a Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge last while on the same app? Then when dead, how long will it take for both phones to charge from 0% to 100%? I plan on using the Angry Birds app to wear out the battery. My plan is to fully charge both phones, then put them both on a battery draining app to see how long the battery on each one will last. I got the idea while watching a comparison video between two phones. Then I got then I got the idea to try the experiment myself. Websites and videos helped me on my research. In TrustedReviews.com, I found not only the estimated time an iPhone 6 battery is to last, but but also what kind of battery the phone is powered by. A 1810 millimeter non-removable battery. The iPhone 6 battery is supposed to last at least 9 hours. Battery life comparison. This video compares the batteries of both the iPhone 6 and the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge. This video explains that the Samsung showed in the better, longer lasting battery. In this video, the Samsung lasted 10 hours and 37 minutes, while the iPhone lasted 9 hours and 31 minutes. The, oh my god. Gadgets360.com. This website lists info from both phones, from when they were released to their operating system, which gave me a lot to think about on the phones while I was hypothesizing. Hypothesis. My hypothesis is that the Galaxy will last longer than the iPhone 6 while on the app. But I also believe that the iPhone 6 will take the shorter amount of time to fully charge. I estimate that the Galaxy will last longer than the iPhone because it has a larger battery capacity, based on research. But the shorter the battery capacity of the iPhone will give me an advantage when charging both phones from 0% back to 100%. My experiment is to find out which battery between an iPhone 6 and a Galaxy S6 Edge will last while on the same app. While on the same app, there will be two active players, me and my sister. Then when both phones die, I will see and take notes on which phone could fully charge faster than the other. I wish to prove my hypothesis of the Galaxy lasting longer and the iPhone to charge faster correct. If not, I will examine my hypothesis and try to change it and see what I did wrong in my calculations. Furthermore, during other similar experiments, I will research I will research 10 times more and find more supportive websites and videos to back up my hypothesis and research. Steps in the experiment. We'll try to see which one could last longer. I swear to God, I can't do this. Steps in my experiment. We'll try to see which one could last longer. You have to, 1, make sure both phones are fully charged. Then 2, put both phones on the Angry Birds app, having active players on both phones. Then 3, right before that, set a timer to record the time. After that, 4, leave both phones on the app until they die. Then 5, the last step. When one of the phones die, write down how long it lasted while keeping track of the other. Then we'll compare it. Then when charging both phones up to full health, you have 6. 6, put them back on the chargers, and but reset the timer before that. 7, set the timer immediately when both phones are on their chargers. Then 8, start recording time for how long each phone takes to fully charge. Then the final step. 9, when one of the phones reaches 100%, write down its time. Then wait for the other phone to reach 100% and write down its time. Materials. First, you will need both an iPhone 6 and a Galaxy S6 Edge. Then you'll need chargers for both phones. Then after that, you're gonna have to get a timer. You have to get a timer, but it can't be on the phones. Then 4, something to take notes on. And then 5, to have the Angry Birds app installed and open up on both phones. Analyzation. During my experiment, I found out that an iPhone could charge twice as faster than the Galaxy S6. But a Galaxy's battery could last longer than an iPhone's. I found the information and graphed it on the 2 charts below. The chart on the bottom left shows how long each phone lasted while on the app. Then, while on the chart on the bottom right shows you how much time each phone needs to charge. Conclusion. In conclusion, my hypothesis of the experiment came out to be true. I predicted that the Galaxy would last longer than the iPhone while on the app, but I also predicted that the iPhone would fully charge faster than the Galaxy. In fact, I've found a pattern while taking notes on this experiment. The Galaxy lasted at least an hour more than the iPhone, but needed an extra hour for the charge compared to the iPhone. Most likely because of its battery capacity. Same with the iPhone. The smaller battery capacity gave it an advantage when charging. Anyways, I hope to complete more of these experiments in the near future. Improve more of my hypotheses right. In addition, I might improve those future hypotheses and/or experiments similar to these by using maybe a different app. Alright, bye. Thanks for watching all that.